The thing I really like about cloud dash cams is that you can check on your vehicle through the cloud on your smartphone anytime and anywhere. Every parent with a new driver will tell you it's a must-have. The BlackVue DR750S-2-channel dash cam through the BlackVue Over the Cloud app will let you know where your new driver is heading and how fast they're going. If they're out late with their buddies and they're not answering their phones, just use Remote Live View, or you can even tap into the dash cam to let them know that you've got eyes on them. The Thinkware Q800 Pro through the Thinkware app can let you know where your kids are whenever you want. The Q800 Pro has these awesome features. You can stay up to date on the speed, location, and direction of travel of your vehicle on Google Maps, and you can set up zones. The Thinkware Q800 Pro also comes with built-in safe driver tag, or what I like to call bad driver tag, that lets them know if they're coming in too close or too fast, or if they're just driving all over the road. Maybe it'll even help them become better drivers. Looking to go the extra mile with your holiday gift? Ask us about the optional accessories and add-ons to help make your great dash cam an even better one. Come talk to us, we're here to help. The Q800 Pro also comes with built-in safe driver tech, or what I like to call bad driver tech. I blanked out for a second.